What is up, boys and girls? Your boy can finally talk now. I was a little focused on getting the wheel off. Those lugs have been stripped for about 2 weeks now. It's crazy. I tried to take the wheel off to paint it, strip the lugs. I told myself I'm not gonna worry about it. I haven't had any issues with that tire in I don't know, almost 7 months I've had it. And sure enough, this week we catch a flat. But it is what it is. You guys saw me use that extractor toolkit. I'll show you a little bit more once we get back to the house. I'm gonna run this wheel over to QT and throw some air in it. I checked it over. There's no nails. I don't see any cracks. That wheel is bent, and I think that the wheel being bent plus being parked on the curb plus the heat, because it was pretty hot this weekend, caused it to leak air. So I'm gonna go take it to QT, slap their air pressure on it, and see if this thing beads back on, and we'll be good to go. We won't have to spend anything on that. I am also going to swing by O'Reilly's and grab some new wheel lugs. I 100% do not recommend the ones that I got pulled off today. I believe those are from AutoZone. It's terrible. The key that is made for it even has play on the inside of the lug nut, which doesn't make sense. The key should be a perfect fit, but we're on our way to do that. And in quick trip fashion, the pump doesn't work. We are back at the house. Bag is secured. Grabbed us some new lugs. M12 by 1.5. I did go ahead and make sure that we got the right thread pitch as well. Not having any issues again. We did as well go ahead and grab ourselves some 5W30. SRT4 is still leaking a little bit, but it is a simple fix, so we will get that handled. We're gonna call it here for the night. It is dark outside. We will pick up tomorrow when we're going to get this tire fixed. I don't think I need a new one. I just think it needs some pressure, so get that handled. See you guys tomorrow. It is the next day as promised, and I'm gonna show you this in just a little bit more detail as I open it upside down, but this kit worked perfectly. It is the Amartisan. But this thing worked perfectly. We went with the largest one. As you guys saw me just hammer this thing over the lug, fits snug, and then with every turn, it bites down to get your stripped lugs. This is mainly for like bolts with stripped heads, but it worked perfectly for the lug nuts, so 100% recommend. I just threw some more paint on the wheels. The wheels did air up, just like I assumed they would. Just need to throw about 40 PSI in there and it beat it right back on, so we're good to go. Just have to keep that wheel off the curb. Spin real quick. I did notice that this passenger side is going to need a wheel bearing at some point, so I'm just making sure it's not crazy worn, and that's something we need to take care of this weekend, but it is seemingly driving perfect. I really got to invest in a GoPro so I can get you guys some good driving footage of this car, and especially a exhaust mic. Start bringing you guys some ride-alongs. going to be all she wrote for this one. Appreciate you guys sticking through the video. The car drove great. Next is going to be that wheel bearing, like I said, on that passenger side. We'll get that taken care of. This car is piece by piece getting more and more reliable, more and more enjoyable to drive. I can actually enjoy this thing. When I first got this car, I'm not going to say it was a slab, but it was a slab. But nonetheless, progress is progress. I will catch you guys in the next video. If you've enjoyed, you're welcome. No, I'm joking. But if you enjoyed, appreciate you watching the video. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.